AC. Dirt grinds the life out of your AC. It's like kryptonite to Superman. Seriously. The coil in your AC unit is what takes heat out of the air and leaves you nice and chilly when it's unbearably hot outside. Over time, dirt builds up on this coil and slowly chokes your air conditioner until it breaks down. Dirt can skyrocket electric bills and cut the lifespan of your air conditioner in half. Fortunately, there are two simple things you can do to keep your AC dirt-free. 1. Change your filter every month. You can even tape around the edges if you really want to go all out. 2. Have a Top Tech certified pro rejuvenate your AC to near factory fresh conditions every year. Why don't you want to do this yourself? Because 1. You need special tools. 2. You have to know what you're doing because it's not like dusting the baseboards. You have to take the unit apart. 3. We do more than just clean the coils. We hook up temperature clamps and pressure gauges to make sure your superheat and subcooling in your refrigerant line is not knocking. These tests are vital to make sure your dog doesn't bark every time your AC kicks on. We ensure proper flow of the condensate drain line so you don't end up with a pool inside your home. The wiring, connectors, controls, blower, and the refrigerant level are tested because a leak will have you paying through the nose to keep your house comfortable for that one person who likes living in an icebox. And importantly, we check the inexpensive parts that tend to break, like capacitors and contactors, so you can replace them before they fail. If those simple-to-replace parts fail, they put strain on all the expensive parts, and before you know it, guess who's buying a new AC and wishing they had signed up for our club maintenance program? That's right. Now, furnaces, they're completely different, but just as important. Want to know more? Or do you want to know about benefits